Okay, so first of all, I'm going to share your questions. Okay, you can see here on the screen. I'm going to share the questions. This one, question number 7A, we have already done. Now let's see other questions. Okay. So other questions are here on the screen. Now this one, I'm going to show here question number 7B. Question number 7B. Look at there, question number 7B. That B is question number 7B. In a survey of 1500 people, 775 of them like Nepal Idol, 975 liked Comedy Champion, and 450 people liked both the shows. Show the above information in a Venn diagram. How many people did not like both the shows? Did not like means compliment. Okay, you can see here in this question also there is compliment. यसमा पनि हामीलाई के भनेको छ त कम्प्लिमेन्ट छ भने टोटल नम्बर अफ पिपल भनेको NU हुन्छ, that is NU. Okay, so what you are going to suppose here, यसमा पनि हामीले language with the same form language, what you are going to write here, later for Nepal Idol you can write here N. Okay, and for Comedy Champion you can write C. So let N and C be the sets of people who like Nepal Idol and Comedy Champion respectively. Okay, that is the language to write here. सबैभन्दा पहिले हामीले what you are going to write here, let Nepal Idol, sorry, for Nepal Idol you are going to write here, and let N and C be the sets of people who like Nepal Idol and Comedy Champion respectively. First of all you have to write that language. Okay, so understood what to write?
Yes,
Kunsang?
sir.
Kunsang is listening or not?
So सुनिरहेछु.
Okay, के सेट सपोज गर्ने भने मैले?
के चाहिँ सर?
What are the sets we have to suppose?
उ त के भन्छ त्यो के भन्छ वन के भन्छ त्यो सर्वे अफ पिपल त्यो बी नम्बरको क्वेशन नम्बर बी.
सेटहरु के सपोज गर्ने त? जस्तो मैले यहाँ भनिरहेको छु नि के कुन अल्फाबेट सपोज गर्नु?
नेपाल आइडल पिपल अनि कमेडी च्याम्पियन अनि पिपल हु लाइक बोथ. अब कस्तो त्यो भेन डायग्राममा जस्तो एन र त्यो ए जस्तो.
Okay, Kunsang, listen properly. I'm just saying here, let capital N and capital C be the sets of people who like Nepal Idol and Comedy Champion respectively. भनेर लेख्ने सबभन्दा पहिले लेख्ने ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो के? Understood? नेपाल आइडल नेपाल आइडलको लागि हामीले N भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो, क्यापिटल N, कमेडी च्याम्पियनको लागि C है त. Okay, so what are the things given and what you are going to find? यसमा पनि हामीलाई no new things, हामीसँग त्यस्तो नयाँ कुरा केही पनि छैन. Just you can see here, मैले यहाँ भनिसके नेपाल आइडलको लागि you can suppose here N. You can suppose here N. Okay, नेपाल आइडलको लागि N भनेर सेट सपोज गर्ने, कमेडी च्याम्पियनको लागि C भनेर सपोज गर्ने. So these are the two sets you are going to suppose. यो दुईटा सेट सपोज गर्नु पर्यो. And as you know that in this question also there is complement. यसमा पनि हामीलाई complement छ. That's why total number भनेको you have to write in this way. Total number means N of U. Okay, N of universal. That means total number of people is that is 1500. So यसलाई हामीले यसरी N of U भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो 1500. Okay, NU means 1500. 775 of them like Nepal Idol. Nepal Idol means you are going to write here N of N. NN, that is 775. You will write here 775. Okay, Nepal Idol 775. Then Comedy Champion. For Comedy Champion, you are going to write here N of C. N of C equals to what is given here? For N of C, you are given here 975. Okay, 975. 975 given. So 450 like both the shows. Both the shows भनेको that is intersection. Okay, so I am going to write in this side here N of N intersection C. N of N intersection C equals to what is given here 450. What is given? 450. Okay, so in this way I have written here all the set notations. Nu given, n of n given, n of c given. It's the same. अघि हामीले जस्तो क्वेसन गरेका छौं नि, अब यसमा अर्को कम्प्लिमेन्टलाई x लेट गर्ने, and then you can show in a Venn diagram. Okay, then you can show in a Venn diagram, and then you have to use the simply this formula. Okay, this type of formula, and यसमा त यतिसम्म मात्रै फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने हो, not more things to find here. यसमा अरु बढी कुराहरु फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छैन. So I think you can do this one. कसैलाई गर्न नसकिने छ भने you can tell me, I will do. Okay, अब if you can then try it. अब गर्दा गर्दै थाहा भएन भने चाहिँ next time you can ask me. Okay, कसैलाई केही प्रब्लम छ भने you can ask. Okay, so in this way we have completed this B also. Similarly C पनि त्यसरी नै हेर्ने in a group. Okay,
how many people did not like both the source मा कुन set notation हुन्छ रे?
त्यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो कम्प्लिमेन्ट हुन्छ है, कम्प्लिमेन्ट हो. कम्प्लिमेन्ट भनेको n हाम्रो n union c कम्प्लिमेन्ट. क्लियर? अघि जस्तै हाम्रो did not like भनेको n of n union c कम्प्लिमेन्ट है. Okay, so now C number also you can see in a group of 250 music lovers, 135 of them like folk songs and 150 like modern songs. By drawing a Venn diagram, find how many people like both the songs. अब यसमा चाहिँ intersection find out गर्नुपर्ने छ, and how many people like only one song. Okay, हो यो क्वेसनमा चाहिँ हामीलाई are you given their complement? अब हेर्नुपर्ने छ राम्रोसँग है. 7C, look at there. Complement given or complement asked, केही छ कि छैन? 1C. Complement part given छ, did not भन्ने त्यस्तो word छ यहाँ, cannot भन्ने, did not, neither nor भन्ने खालको word can you see in 7C?
No sir.
Okay, that means you okay, that means there is no universal set. अब हामीसँग universal set छैन है. We don't have universal set in 7C. Okay, you can see here in 7C. I'm telling you here 7C what set you are going to suppose here. You are going to suppose F and M. Two sets we are going to suppose here, F and M. Okay, we are going to suppose here two sets, that is F and M. Okay, two sets are F and M. And how to write here? Let F and M be the sets of music lovers. Okay, in a group of 250 music lovers. Similarly, you have to write the language. Let F and M be the sets of music lovers who like folk songs and modern songs respectively. Okay, in that way you have to write the language. Folk songs and modern songs respectively. अब लेख्दाखेरि चाहिँ के लेख्नु पर्यो त? F and M be the sets of music lovers. Remember that F and M भनेको sets हो, त्यही भएर sets भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो. Be the sets of music lovers who like folk songs and modern songs respectively. हो यति लेखिसके पछाडी अब यो क्वेशनमा you cannot write here NU लेख्न मिल्दैन. यहाँ चाहिँ total number of people भनेको अब यसरी लेख्नु पर्यो. N of F union M भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, because complement is not given here. Oh, yeah, 250. The total number of people 250 means that is union. अब यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ union हो. And 135 like folk songs means N of F is given. N of F is given. Okay, so what is N of F? Can you tell me what is N of F?
135.
Ah, very good. 135. Okay, so 135. Then what is N of M?
150.
N of M is 150. So, complement sign. There is no complement. You are not asked here. Complement so the sign means complement is not there. But you are asked to find here. You are asked to find here intersection. Oh, first question ma ke sodha how many people like both the songs भने छ है. तर त्यो भन्दा अगाडि नै हामीले Venn diagram बनाउनु पर्ने छ. Before that, you have to draw your Venn diagram. Okay, त्यो भन्दा अगाडि नै हामीले Venn diagram draw गर्नु छ. That's why you will suppose here n of, what you are going to suppose, n of f intersection m equals to, what you are going to suppose, x. Okay, clear? This you are going to suppose here, n of f intersection m equals to x. So after supposing this, then you will draw Venn diagram. Okay. So now let me draw your Venn diagram. Yeah, confusion sign. Now I am going to draw here Venn diagram on the board. Okay. Let me see these things on a board. एक पटक board मा पनि हेरौं. हामीले के suppose गर्नुपर्ने र के कुरालाई चाहिँ हामीले find out गर्नुपर्ने. Okay. I am going to tell you here. So let's see here on the board. Okay. Once see, roughly I am going to tell you here. I have already written there also. Okay, same thing I am going to write here in 7C, question number 7C, two sets. What you have to suppose here, F and M. Okay, then I have already told you about this, F union M. F union M means 250. Okay, then N of F means that is 135. Okay, then N of M means 150. Okay, then intersection you are asked here. तर हामीले पहिले suppose गर्नुपर्छ intersection. किन भन्दा हामीले Venn diagram मा show गर्नु पर्यो. We have to start from the intersection. Okay, so N of F intersection M equals to X. Then okay, now first of all we have to show. Now showing in I number मा सोधेको हैन, पहिले भनेको छ. Now showing above information. Now showing above information in a Venn diagram. Okay, now you have to show here in a Venn diagram. अब यहाँ Venn diagram मा show गर्दा चाहिँ you have to show, कसरी show गर्नु पर्यो, in the form of x को form मा show हुन्छ. किन भन्दा the value of intersection is not given here. So in this way, so this one you can suppose here F, this is M, intersection first of all you have to fill, this is X. Okay, so this is N of F intersection M, this is N of M intersection M. Now you know your complete F भनेको 135 छ, so you can write here 135 minus X. Okay, so this side M means total 150, so you will write here 150 minus X. Clear? So now you have to write the set notation also. This one is N of F. If you just toss, this one is N of M. And no complement. Okay. अब लेख्न त हामीले यहाँ U पनि लेख्छौं. अब complement no need to denote because it is not here. Universal पनि छैन, तर हाम्रो rectangular box भनेको जहिले पनि universal हुन्छ. This is the rule to show you. त देखाउनै पर्छ हामीलाई. Simply दुईटा सेट मात्र देखाएर हुँदैन है त, यो universe हामीले देखाउनै पर्छ. Universal set. Okay, so in this way, now first you are going to find your intersection, find out garnu paryo. In I number you are asked how many people like both the songs. Okay, how many people like both the songs. In I number you are asked here how many people like both the songs. That means the intersection of N of F intersection M equals to what? So what formula you are going to use? Can you tell me the formula? By formula.
N F union M equals to N F plus N M minus N F intersection M.
Okay, very good, Alok. That is absolutely correct formula. So N of F union M equals to N of F plus N of M minus N of F intersection M. So just put the values here. Here it is 250. This one also given 135 and 150 and X. Okay. By solving this, you will get the value. Solve what you will get here? You will get the value for N of F intersection M. This you will get
55.
What you got? 55. Okay, 55 like that. Solve you will get here 55. And so now next. What you found, Alok?
65, sir. 65.
Oh, sorry, 65. Okay. So 65. How many people like only one song? Okay, can you tell me the set notation? What is asked? Only one song, भनेको के भनेको होला? How many people like only one song? What do we have to find?
NOF and NOM.
Oh, त्यो दुईटालाई के गर्ने होला?
N of
Okay, you are
F
saying-
minus 1 N in the N को.
Okay, यहाँ only भनेको how many people like only one song भनेको only को sum find out गर्ने हो. किन भन्दा only भनेको त n only f पनि हो, only भनेको त n only m पनि हो नि, दुवै only हो. This one is also only, this one is also only. दुवै only हो. हामीलाई टोटलमा सोधेको के हो त? How many people like only one song भनेको हामीले find out गर्नुपर्ने चाहिँ n only m plus n only m. Okay, त्यसैले यसरी हामीलाई क्वेशन सोधे हुन्छ, दुवै कुरा हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ. n only f plus n only m भनेको यो एउटा मात्रै, ओके, एउटा किसिमको मात्रै सङ मन पराउने मान्छेहरू हो नि. किन भन्दा यो त फल सङ मात्रै मन पराउने हो, यो मोडर्न सङ मात्रै मन पराउने हो, तर हुन त एउटै हो. यसले पनि एउटा खालको मात्रै हो, यो पनि एउटा खालको मात्रै हो. So this is asked. Okay, so you know how to find this. यो दुईटालाई छुट्टा छुट्टै फाइन्ड आउट गरेर लास्टमा सम फाइन्ड आउट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. आइदर यु क्यान राइट इन द सेम फर्मुला, एउटै फर्मुलामा दुवैलाई प्लस लेखेर गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है त. ओके, सो यु क्यान फाइन्ड इन द्याट वे. सो व्हाट यु आर गोइङ टु डु हियर? ओके, डी नम्बरमा पनि हाम्रो युनियन नै हो, 100% सपोज गर्नुपर्छ. डी नम्बरमा पनि है, डी नम्बरमा पनि हाम्रो युनिभर्सल छैन, त्यहाँ हामीले युनियनलाई 100% सपोज गरेर then with the same process you can do. Okay, D number also try. सबैले try गर्ने है. D number also you have to try. So I have just given you 7 B C D as homework. कसैलाई कन्फ्युजन छ?
Sir,
Okay.
n only f plus n only m चाहिँ नि त्यसै छुट्टै छुट्टै निकालेर गर्दा हुन्छ है.
छुट्टै निकालेर लास्टमा सम फाइन्ड आउट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है, त्यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. तर सोधेको चाहिँ खास यो सेट नोटेसनमा हामीले दिस इक्वल्स टु व्हाट भनेर चाहिँ लेख्नु पर्यो, अनि सेपरेटली फाइन्ड आउट गरेर त्यस पछाडि पछि लास्टमा सम फाइन्ड आउट गर्दा हुन्छ. त्यो भनेको नम्बर अफ पिपल हु लाइक ओन्ली वान सम नै हो. यो दुईटाकै सम हो है, ओन्ली वान सम भनेको यो दुईटाकै सम हो. त्यही भएर छुट्टा छुट्टै फाइन्ड आउट गरेर लास्टमा सम फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने, देन द्याट वुड बी आन्सर. Okay, so try to complete 7 number. Okay, 7 number up to D number, A, B, C, D. 4 questions are there. 1 question I have already done, and for others I have given you hint. So try to complete that one, and if you find any problem, then ask me next time. Okay. So this was for today. Thank you everyone, and bye bye. Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.